Can a successful eBay dropshipper also be successful in Shopify dropshipping? So I've got to make some rules for this video. All investment into this must come from the sales, meaning I'm starting with no money whatsoever, which means I'm going to have to be doing TikTok, organic growth, YouTube shorts, and Instagram reels. So we cannot spend any money on ads or Instagram influencers until we have received sales. So the first sales we're going to get is going to have to be from organic growth. And bear in mind, I've never done this before. I've never even posted a TikTok before. So this is a bit very big for me. I've never done Shopify dropshipping either, but I think I can do this. So I've been browsing TikTok. I made a new TikTok account and I followed a few videos which tell you how to make your TikTok For You page just show you dropshipping items. So I'm only looking at dropshipping products on my For You page now, which is really, really useful. So I was scrolling and I was scrolling and I was scrolling until I found 3 products. So the first product I saw was this Prime humidifier, which basically you could put this humidifier in any liquid and it would make your room smell like it. And I thought that that's going to be a really good product, but then I realized, I checked the comments on it, that's going to make everything sticky, you're going to get ants, you're going to get bugs, it's just not good. Like the concept's really a good idea, but then when you actually deep the product, it's just not going to work, it's not going to work. Then the second product I came across was really, really interesting, and I thought it had a good wow factor. It was a headache relief like hat, and what you do is you put it in the freezer and then you put it on and supposedly get rid of your headache. But then I thought, that's probably not going to work that well either. I don't know. I just have that anxiety around the products, I guess. But then I found the third product, and I remember seeing this product, and I never buy any products on TikTok or like Instagram or anything. I just assume instantly it's dropshipping, Facebook as well. And I remember seeing this product 2 years ago or so, and I haven't seen anyone sell it like since. Like I haven't seen it recently at all. And I thought, if this went viral once, why can't it go viral again? I don't know, that might be a bad mindset. Once again, I know nothing about like social media marketing. But that just, in my head, that made sense. Things connected, light bulb went off and I thought it worked. So that's what we're going with. So what we're going with is these weird sticky balls that glow in the dark. So I think that could really work. So it's time to get started on the website, and I know I said I'm starting this with 0 money, but let's just ignore the fact I had to pay £1 for the Shopify per month, and also I had to pay £10 for the domain, but let's just forget that happened. Okay. So this is the website so far, and as you can see at the top, it says launching sale for the first 100 customers with a timer at the top that starts at 15 minutes. And I saw that when I was browsing through TikTok looking for products on someone else's page, not for this product, but I saw him using this strategy, and I saw that it was working for him. He was getting a lot of sales, and I just haven't seen people create a sense of urgency quite like this whilst dropshipping. They'll just put sale now only lasting another certain amount of time, whereas this, it says launching sale for the first 100 customers. They can see you're a new store. They see, okay, I'll get £10 off. It can be an impulse buy. That's what I'm trying to do here. And as you can see, it's very white. I'm trying to keep it very minimalistic. I've got the sticky add to cart button at the bottom there. When you press it, it takes you directly to the checkout. And then I've decided to add some more gifts as we go down in the description, as you can see. I think this just looks very good like this. My first time ever making a Shopify website, so don't judge me too hard. And as you can see, we've got some reviews as well. And if you're wondering how much I'm getting this product for, as we can see here, what it's going to cost per order is £6.70. And we've got to map the product, which means we've got to link the product from AliExpress onto our Shopify store, which then means if we get an order on Shopify, the order will automatically be fulfilled on AliExpress without me having to do anything. This includes stock changes as well, so it just makes everything a lot easier. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go onto TikTok and we're going to look at all the viral ads that have been made for this product. And remember, I haven't seen this product being sold in like a year or two, therefore all the viral content everyone would have forgot about by now, because we can reuse it on YouTube shorts and Instagram reels. Now, it's not a good idea to do it on TikTok, but what I'm doing is I'm using the ideas from the videos to make my own. So if the same concept has gone viral once, then I can just reuse that and make my own videos with it. So I've just been grinding, I've been finishing, tweaking up the website a little bit. That's now finished. I've made the Instagram, I've made the TikTok, and I've made the YouTube. I've gone on TikTok and I found all the videos that have already gone viral for these sticky balls, and I'm putting those onto the Instagram reels very slowly. I'll post 2 a day, 1 in the morning, 1 at night. I posted 1 now, so we'll see how that goes. Obviously, we're not going to get any sales from that. 0 followers, 1 post on Instagram. But what I'm also going to do now is I'm going to start taking my own videos of the product and start posting that on TikTok, get them edited edited, get that on TikTok. And I've heard people say you should have 2 TikTok accounts on the go, slightly different names, but I'm gonna stick with one at the start and we'll see how we go from there. I've also realized from these ads it's quite easy to market it, especially on TikTok, because obviously I'll just show you. I'm not even gonna say it. I'll just show you so you can see how easy this is gonna be to market.
Your ball's dirty and not sticking.
You know, your ball's dirty and not sticky. You know, that's gonna make people watch the TikTok. They're like, what is he on about? Watch it, and you know, you get the engagement, get the views up from that. So the more mental stuff that's said, the better. So we're gonna go with that. We're gonna try some stuff like that. I'm gonna think of some ideas, and yeah, I'll catch up with you once we've uploaded some TikTok. Okay, the first TikTok has officially been edited and uploaded, and this is how it's looking.
Are your balls dirty and not sticky?
Give them a wash, give them a wash, give them...
You're sus. Sus! What you mean, sus?
But yeah, I think that TikTok could work, and if it doesn't work today, then I can keep reusing it. But I'm going to work on a load of TikToks today, and I'm going to get them in my draft. I'm going to try upload 3 a day. So I'm going to catch you tomorrow with some updates on how the TikToks have done, how the Instagram Reels have done, and how the YouTube Shorts have done. Okay, so it's been a bit longer than 1 day. It's actually been 6 days since I've last recorded, but I have done a lot of work on TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. So let's just go over how all the content went. Did we get any views? You know, did we get any sales? Did anything go viral? There's a lot to go through. So first up, let's talk about Instagram Reels. It was terrible. I don't know if I'm doing anything wrong. If any of you guys know a lot about Instagram, then please comment down below, because I'm so stuck here. As you can see, every single reel was just at 0 views. I didn't get a single view. So I just decided to stop posting on there because it was pointless. I'm not getting any views. Those 1 views are literally just me. And I thought Instagram Reels, just like TikTok, whenever you post, they have to show it to some people.
Nope.
Then if they view the whole thing, they'll show it to more people. Then if they view the whole thing, they'll show it to more people, etc, etc. But they didn't even show it to a single person, so they didn't have a chance to begin with, which was so annoying. So I don't understand why that is. So next up would be YouTube Shorts. One of the videos, it didn't go viral, but the best video only did 1,900 views and 50 likes. It did not go well. We only got 2 subscribers. And I was posting consistently on there. Once again, I was getting like no views on any of the videos. Only 1 did well. The rest got like 2 to 5 views. It really makes no sense to me, because I thought they had to show it to more people, and if they watched it, they'd push it out to more. But clearly I'm wrong. As I said, I know nothing about social media marketing, so you kind of had to expect this. But now let's talk about TikTok. So at the beginning, I was so hopeful with TikTok because we're getting okay views, you know, we're getting 500 views minimum every time, and then 1 got 600. But then after about 2 days of posting consistently, I only managed to be able to get like 250 views total. And some of the videos, TikTok didn't even show it to anyone. It was just me and like people I sent the link to check if the TikTok was actually up. And I'm thinking maybe it's because the content's a bit, I don't know, it's a bit crude, I guess. So maybe TikTok, because what I've read is TikTok, they have an AI and they try to understand each video. And by that, I mean, it's like reading the text on the video you put on. And some of the text I was putting on was a bit, like, I understand why maybe they blocked that video from going out, because it might have sounded like it was worse than it actually was. So yeah, because what I did was I deleted one of the videos and then tried to upload it again, and 0 views once again. So yeah, I got a few comments, got a few followers, I got like 16 followers. I managed to get to like 22 followers, but I got many unfollows. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. So I really appreciate some help in the comments. So now let's go over the Shopify dashboard. So this is the first day I started posting TikToks and trying to get people over. As you can see, we've got 38 visitors, which is not bad for the first day, to be honest. I'm not unhappy with that, but take away about 6 to 8 of them because that was just me that kept going on the website to check it was okay and stuff like that. But as you can see, we got 2 add to carts, 1 reach checkout, 0 session converted. That's on the first day though. And as you can see, 33 of those was direct, which means it was from TikTok, because obviously I don't have 1,000 subscribers on TikTok, so I cannot put a link in bio, so they have to type it out. So we've got 33 people to do that, which is actually really good. The next day just was not very good at all. And then the day after that, we got 7 sessions, 1 add to cart, no reach checkout. And it kind of just continued like that from here. I'm not gonna lie, 13 sessions, no checkout. So now if we just look at the whole last 6 days of how everything's gone, we managed to get 73 sessions total, which isn't great. 3 add to carts and 1 reach checkout, so it's not looking good. And ignore this, I just did this because on the first day when I completed the Shopify store, it was forcing me to make a draft order. So I just put a ton of the sticky balls in the order and it actually shows on the dashboard. I didn't think it would, because it was just a draft order. But now I understand how all these fake gurus fake their Shopify results by just creating draft orders. I did not think it would actually show on the dashboard. Shopify make it so easy to fake revenue. It's unbelievably easy. And I don't think most people know about this. So maybe even your favorite Shopify dropshipping YouTuber is just faking their revenue. Obviously, I'm not saying all of them. I know a lot of them. For example, Bia Heza, Ecom King, a lot of them are very, very good. I'm not like accusing anyone or anything like that. I don't think I am. But I'm just saying be wary of who you're watching because it's so unbelievably easy to fake this. What they should do is they should go into the draft order section. So go to orders, then go to draft, and you could then see, okay, it's a draft order, it's not a real order. I don't understand why they're not doing that, because that's then generating transparency between their viewers. But I don't know, there must be a reason. I know nothing about Shopify dropshipping, so I'm the last one to listen to. But it's just something I thought about, and I thought I would share it with you anyway. Yeah, it's a real shame. We didn't get any orders, barely got any sessions, nothing went viral. That does not mean I'm going to stop trying. I'm actually going to continue doing these videos until I get sales on a product. I'm going to do another video for next week, and it's going to be a new product. So if you do want to see that, make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to try and make this into like a little series. I'm just going to try succeed on Shopify dropshipping basically until I do. So if you're up for watching my journey with that, make sure you subscribe. And if you're interested in eBay dropshipping, make sure you watch my channel, as that is what I specialize in. And there's tons of videos on that. So if you're already a Shopify dropshipper, maybe you can get into eBay dropshipping as well. Boost that income. Thank you so much for watching. If you managed to get this far, then you're a real one. I really appreciate that. If you've already been a viewer of this channel for quite a while, then I would really appreciate it if you could leave some feedback down below. If you want me to continue this new editing style I've done, or if I should just go back to how it was before, it's completely up to you. And if you actually want me to continue doing Shopify dropshipping, because I did a poll and a lot of you do want me to do it. Like 80% of my viewers wanted me to do Shopify dropshipping challenges. But if you just confirm that down below, I'd really appreciate it. Have a lovely rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching.